Good morning, Sunset Restaurant. I'm Maylin Mayo. How can I help you?
I would like to make a table reservation, please.
Certainly, sir, ma'am. May I know who's in the line, please?
Miss Blasi Ansa.
Miss Onsa, should I make this reservation in your name?
Yes.
When do you want to make the table reservation, ma'am?
For tonight.
For how many people, Miss Onsa?
For one.
Would you like a smoking or non-smoking area, ma'am?
Non-smoking area, please.
May I repeat your reservation, Miss Onsa?
Okay.
Ma'am, you are having a table reservation at 8 p.m. for one person in the non-smoking area under your name, Miss Leslie Onsa.
Yes.
Miss Onsa, your table reservation has been made. Thank you for calling Sunset Restaurant. We look forward in welcoming you.
Thank you.
Good evening, ma'am. Welcome to Sunset Restaurant. May I please to ask if you have a reservation under your name?
Yes, I have a reservation under my name, Blasi Ansa.
Yes, ma'am. Your table is ready. So please follow me, Miss Onsa. Excuse me, ma'am. May I assist you with your table napkin?
Yes, please.
Good evening, ma'am. Here's our menu for your selection. For tonight's supper special, we have beef broccoli. And for my recommendation, may I suggest stir-fry eggplant as one of our best sellers. And I'm sorry to inform you that this evening, our cowboy spaghetti is temporarily unavailable. Excuse me, ma'am. May I fill your glass with purified water?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you ready to place your order?
Yes, may I have one order of stir-fried eggplant and 2 slices of cheesecake for dessert?
Would that be all, ma'am?
Yes.
If may I, ma'am, may I suggest a glass of refreshing juice?
Yes, please.
Noted, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. May I repeat your order? One order of stir-fried eggplant and 2 slices of cheesecake and refreshing juice. By the way, ma'am, my name is Mylene, and I will be your server for tonight. Excuse me, ma'am, for a moment. Excuse me, ma'am, here's your bread. Excuse me for a moment, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am, may I place your silverware? This is the fork for your stir-fry eggplant, and for your dessert, and the glass for your juice. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your stir-fried eggplant with a sweet, salty sauce to make a tasty side dish and vegetarian entree. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your dessert. Cheesecake dessert is made with a fresh, soft cheese, eggs, and sugar. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your cucumber lemonade. It's made up of fresh cucumber and fresh lemon. Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. How's the food, ma'am?
It's good.
I hope you enjoy it, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done, ma'am? May I clean your table?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, ma'am.
You, please.
Here's your bill, ma'am.
Here's my card.
I'll be back, ma'am, for your card and receipt. Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, thank you for reaching. Here's your card and receipt. We are looking forward for your next visit. Thank you for dining with us. Please do enjoy the rest of the evening.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.